Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's about 3 a.m. in the morning. I just made a huge batch of chili for my family and I had an itch to scratch. So I wanted to get this on film because I think I have a big win here. But this card, which was really fun, basically you just match up all the fruit and you win the corresponding prize. They have pretty big prizes on here too, up to 75,000. I didn't think I won, but I won. $9. $9. So that's good. I'm using my husband's setup right now. So this card, 5,000 in a flash. I didn't even really read the instructions. What is this? Uncover a lightning bolt, win $50. Okay. So I was scratching. I'm just going to scratch the top numbers. I thought I'm going to keep going. And look what I found. Number 13. Number 13. 32. 32. 3. 3. So I saved that to scratch with you guys. But I got a little bit ahead of myself and I scratched this off. These are match 3, win the prize. First game, 10, 10, and 10. I won $10. Same thing happened here. 10, 10, and 10. Now this is a $10 card, so already I've won $20. This is getting exciting. So I'm going to scratch off the winning while you watch. So the first winning number we got was 13. So let's see. I hope it's a big one. $10. Okay. So far we've won $30. That's good. The next one was 32. And $10. That's okay. Number 3. Number 3. Let's see if it's anything larger than 10. Nope. $10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, $50 on a $10 card. That's pretty good. We didn't uncover any of these, but that's good. $50. Thumbs up for a win. Okay, it's after 3. I'm going to bed. I just wanted to share this with you. Good night.